Jaw crusher is abbreviated as jaw crusher. It is an earlier crushing equipment because of its simple structure, sturdiness, reliable work, easy maintenance and repair, and relatively low production and construction costs. It is still widely used in metallurgy and chemical engineering, building materials, electric power, transportation and other industrial sectors, used for coarse, medium and fine crushing of various ores and rocks, with compressive strength of 147 to 245 Nm, in order to meet the needs of high strength and high hardness crushing in metallurgy, mining, construction and other industrial sectors. A lot of manpower, material and financial resources have been invested in the research and development of high-efficiency and energy-saving new jaw crushers, and more new jaw crushers have been introduced. Jaw crusher performance characteristics. 1. The jaw crusher is made of world-advanced manufacturing technology and high-end production materials. 2. The jaw crusher has a more advanced movable jaw assembly, which makes it more durable. The movable jaw assembly is composed of high-quality cast steel parts and is driven by two large cast steel flywheels. In addition, the heavy eccentric shaft is also used. Forging blanks are processed, all of which make the jaw crusher extremely reliable. 3. The jaw crusher bearing seat adopts an integral cast steel structure, which can ensure a complete match with the crushing frame, and also greatly enhance the radial strength of the bearing seat, while the split bearing seat does not have this advantage. 4. Using finite element analysis technology, the equipment has higher working intensity, which helps to improve production efficiency. 5. The crushing cavity of the jaw crusher adopts a symmetrical, V-shaped structure, so that the actual feed port width is consistent with the nominal feed port width. 6. The adjustment of the discharge opening is faster and more convenient. The jaw crusher is equipped with a wedge discharge opening adjustment device, which is simpler, safer and faster than the old gasket adjustment. 7. Choose bearings with larger specifications and higher carrying capacity. Jaw crushers are equipped with eccentric shaft bearings that are larger and more durable than other crushers of the same specification. Their higher carrying capacity and effective sealed bearings greatly extend their life. 8. The jaw crusher adopts a tooth-shaped guard plate, which increases the effective length of the jaw plate and increases the output. The working principle of the jaw crusher. The working mode of the jaw crusher is a curved extrusion type. The working principle is the motor drives the belt and pulley, and the movable jaw moves up and down through the eccentric shaft. When the movable jaw rises, the toggle plate and the movable jaw, the angle between the toggle and the movable jaw becomes larger, which pushes the movable jaw to approach the fixed jaw. At the same time, the material is crushed or broken to achieve the purpose of crushing. When the movable jaw goes down, the angle between the toggle and the movable jaw becomes smaller, and the movable jaw, the plate leaves the fixed jaw under the action of the pull rod and spring, and the crushed materials are discharged from the lower mouth of the crushing cavity. With the continuous rotation of the motor, the crushing motor jaw makes periodic movement to crush and discharge materials. Realizing mass production, the shredder adopts two-axis independent drive. During production, the motor drives the main shaft, passing through the shredding box through a pulley, so that the shredder blade rotates with the tool holder body connected to the main shaft to achieve the automatic feeding function. The soft and hard waste scraps of the shredded box are broken due to the shearing, shredding and squeezing between the blades, and then filtered through the screen at the bottom of the box. and the materials that meet the customer's required size are dropped into the bin. This equipment is suitable for the crushing of various materials with high toughness and viscosity. The advantages of the shredder: 1. The body is welded with high-strength steel plate, which can resist high torque and is durable. 2. The high-power motor and reducer make the torque large. The output is high, and there will be no jamming phenomenon. 3. Equipped with an oversized pulley to increase the inertia of the shredder, which can save energy and power for shredding. 4. Design a special shredder blade shape. The shredder blade is made of high alloy tool steel and is precisely manufactured. It can shred the steel bar of about 30 millimeters. The blade is used for a long time. The output is high, and the discharging granularity is uniform. 5. It adopts microcomputer (PC) automatic control with start, stop, reverse, and overload automatic reverse control functions. Features of the single shaft shredder: 1. The blade on the rotor is detachable for easy cleaning, maintenance. 2. The movable knife adopts the V-shaped installation method, which cuts evenly during the entire shredding work, reduces energy consumption and reduces noise. 3. Each movable knife has 4 cutting edges, which can be rotated 90 degrees to continue use after wear. Each fixed knife has 2 cutting edges, which can be rotated 180 degrees to continue use after wear. Enhance the replaceability and service cycle of the movable knife and the fixed knife. Reduce costs. 4. The spindle is driven by a gear reducer, running smoothly, low noise and high torque. 5. Equipped with a hydraulic reciprocating pusher power system, which has a firm structure and stable operation. 6. The entire system is controlled by a PLC program, which can automatically reverse and stop, making the machine operation safer and more reliable. The hopper enters the chassis. The pushing box pushes the material to the rotating knife roller. Under the push of the hydraulic cylinder, the rotating movable knife and the fixed knife crush the material. The crushed material falls through the screen and then is transported to the next through the auxiliary conveying equipment, process or collection and packaging. The material enters the shredding box through the feeding system. The shredding blade is carried on the box. The pushing box pushes the material to the vicinity of the blade. The material is torn, squeezed, and sheared by the shredding blade. Small pieces of material are discharged from the screen holes. One-piece knife shaft, impact resistance, large torque, long-term movement without deformation. The blade on the knife shaft is removable for easy cleaning. The embedded blade locking method makes the knife more resistant to impact and has stronger shredding ability. The movable knife is adopted. The safety installation type, cutting uniformly during the whole shredding work. Reduced energy consumption. Noise. Each movable knife has 4 cutting edges, which can be rotated by 90 to continue use after wear. Each fixed knife has 2 cutting edges. After wear, it can be rotated 180 to continue using, which enhances the replaceability and service life of the movable knife and the fixed knife, and reduces the cost. There are different cutter, shaft and cutter designed for different materials to improve efficiency and save energy. Equipped with a hydraulic reciprocating driving force system, the structure is firm and the operation is stable. The guide bar can be changed or adjusted for different materials. One machine is multi-purpose, multiple protection and safety measures, and the appearance is compact and neat. 2PGS series double shaft shredder is an environmentally friendly recycling and recycling shredding equipment Designed and produced by our company's technical staff on the basis of introducing and absorbing foreign advanced technology, and has accumulated many years of manufacturing experience. High shredding efficiency, large output, reliable performance, etc., can be widely used in waste recycling industry. The cutter of the double shaft shredder is made of special alloy steel, high-speed steel, or tool steel, through a special processing technology. It has the characteristics of good wear resistance, high strength and repairability. The tooth cutter has the characteristics of thickness, tooth profile, arrangement order, etc. Unique design, strong shearing force, can improve shredding efficiency. Driving part adopts heavy-duty planetary gear reducer transmission with low speed.